Most Americans are paying far more than they need to for almost every bill they have: internet, car insurance, medical care, and credit cards. And they aren't trapped in these rates because the prices are fixed or because the contracts are locked. They're buried under this avalanche of costs simply because they haven't made a phone call. Every major service provider operates a retention department. Their entire purpose is to prevent you from leaving, and they have the authority to grant rate reductions that are never advertised to the public. They only offer them when you ask to cancel. Using the specific negotiation scripts we're about to cover, most people save between $2,400 and $7,200 a year, and these calls only take about 15 minutes each. To understand why this works, you have to look at how companies spend their money. Every business has a customer acquisition cost, the exact amount they spend to find, market to, and convert a new user. For an internet provider, it typically costs $300 to $500 to acquire one new customer. For phone carriers, it can cost over $1,000 in subsidies and promotions. Because replacing you is so incredibly expensive, keeping you is highly profitable. If you are an existing customer who calls to cancel, handing you a $20 a month discount for the next year costs them $240. They still come out ahead financially versus letting you walk out the door and spending $400 to replace you. Your continued loyalty is an asset worth real money to them. They just won't volunteer the discount up front. You have to ask for it. And the ask doesn't require you to be aggressive or confrontational. You only need to make it clear that you are genuinely considering leaving. Step 1 is your internet and cable bill. The average American household spends $70 to $120 a month on internet alone. Providers give generous promotional rates to get you in the door, and then quietly raise those rates the moment the promotion expires, counting entirely on your inertia to keep paying the higher price. Here is the exact script to use. Call your provider's main customer service number and say this: "Hi, I'm a customer of X years, and I've noticed my bill has been going up. I've been looking at other providers in my area, and some of them are offering significantly lower rates. I'm calling to see if there's anything you can do to match or beat those rates. Otherwise, I'm going to have to look at switching." Then you execute the most important part of the strategy. Stop talking. Let silence do the heavy lifting. Force them to fill the quiet and respond to the option you just presented. If the representative offers a discount, ask for the exact monthly amount and how long it lasts. If they say they can't help, politely ask to be transferred to your retention department or whoever handles cancellations. That department operates with different tools and different authority than frontline customer service. Data from Consumer Reports verifies that customers who call and ask for lower internet rates receive meaningful reductions the majority of the time. One simple call typically yields $15 to $40 a month in savings. Next is car insurance. Auto insurance premiums have jumped significantly and sit at record highs in many states. Most people pay whatever their renewal notice dictates, ignoring the fact that insurance companies compete aggressively for reliable drivers. If you have a clean record, you have leverage. You need a two-part strategy here. Part 1 happens before you pick up the phone. Go to comparison sites like NerdWallet or Policy Genius and pull actual competing quotes for the exact coverage you currently carry. Part 2 is calling your current insurer with those quotes in hand. Use this script. "Hi, I'm calling about my auto policy. I've been a customer for X years, and I just got some competing quotes that are significantly lower for the same coverage. I'd like to know if you can match or beat specific competitor quote before I make a decision." While you have them on the line, ask them to audit your account for unadvertised discounts. Ask if you can lower the premium by bundling your home and auto, claiming a low mileage discount if you work from home, activating a telematics driving tracker app, or applying a good student discount. Insurers will routinely match a competitor's quote rather than lose a reliable customer with no claims. Pairing that market leverage with a discount audit easily saves $200 to $600 a year. Medical bills frequently surprise people because, unlike almost any other expense, they're highly negotiable. Hospitals and medical practices routinely settle bills for 40 to 60 cents on the dollar for patients who ask. Accepting less than the full amount in cash is often better for them than chasing the debt to collections and writing it off entirely. When you call, do not waste time at the main reception desk. Ask to speak directly with the billing department. Once connected, say, "Hi, I received a bill for amount." I want to pay this, but I'm facing financial hardship right now, and that full amount isn't something I can manage. Can you tell me what financial assistance programs are available, or what the lowest amount you could accept to settle this account in full would be? These specific phrases trigger their internal charity care programs. If they cannot reduce the total balance, ask for a payment plan with zero interest. Most hospitals will set up monthly installments at no extra cost. Finally, always ask for an itemized bill. Medical billing errors are incredibly common, and having the exact line item breakdown lets you identify and dispute incorrect charges. Treating a medical bill as a preliminary opening offer rather than a strict final ruling is one of the most effective ways to protect yourself from catastrophic out-of-pocket costs. For anyone carrying a balance, credit card interest rates represent the most immediate financial bleed. Call the number on the back of your card, reference your strong payment history, and use this script. I'd like to request a permanent rate reduction. Is that something your retention team can help with? If they decline, set a calendar reminder to call back in 6 months, or transfer the balance to a 0% APR balance transfer card to eliminate the interest entirely for the next 12 to 21 months. Now let's tackle a few quick wins. For streaming services, go into your account settings and initiate the cancellation process. Platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus frequently trigger automated retention discounts right before you click the final confirmation. For gym memberships, look closely at your contract. Most gyms have built-in hardship clauses. Calling and specifically asking to invoke a medical, financial, or relocation hardship provision allows you to cancel or suspend the account without paying a penalty. For phone carriers and annual software subscriptions, check their website to see what they are offering new customers. Call in and ask to be moved to those current promotional rates. Carriers regularly move existing accounts to lower pricing when requested. Corporations rely on passive income streams fueled by your silence. Introducing just a minor amount of friction, even just threatening to leave an automated system, forces them to hand over the savings they would otherwise keep. Here is your action plan. In week 1, call your internet provider and car insurance company. Knocking out those 2 calls secures immediate monthly cash flow, typically saving you $40 to $80 a month right away. In week 2, call any credit card where you carry a balance and request a rate reduction. Then sit down with your last 2 bank statements and ruthlessly purge every single subscription you haven't used in 30 days. Most people who actually complete these steps find $200 to $500 a month in recurring savings. You do not have to work longer hours or drastically alter how you live to generate thousands of dollars in annual savings. You only need to have a few structured conversations. Drop a comment below and tell me which bill you are going to call about first. I read every single one. And hit subscribe for weekly personal finance tools that give you real leverage over your money. We'll see you in the next video.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।